12:27 here on this Tuesday afternoon, and mostly sunny weather is back today. Pretty much a typical July day, although we don't have as many 100-degree temperatures on the map, but still hot out there across the valley. And mainly dry for the 4th of July. I think temperatures back in the 90s tomorrow. We may start to see some clouds increase, and there could be a couple showers later tomorrow night, although I think most likely after fireworks time, but the better chance of rain could arrive for Thursday and Friday. So probably those 2 days are your best chances of rain this week. Doesn't look like widespread heavy rain, but it's that time of year you get some moisture. You might get a couple downpours of an inch or more if you get caught in a thunderstorm on Thursday or Friday. But the better rain chances and better amounts look like they're staying north of the valley. Temperatures right now in the 90s at 93 in Brownsville, 93 in Edinburg, and 92 in Raymondville. Pretty much a hot day out there all around. The humidity's high too, so it already feels like feels hot. Feels like I don't want to go outside. 107 you see in McAllen, 105 in Brownsville, 104 in Port Isabel. Those are the heat index numbers. This is a number calculated based on the temperature and humidity if you're standing in the shade. If you're standing in the sun, wearing dark clothing, it adds more onto this temperature, but hot out there. So with that heat index getting up there, you always want to slow down, stay cool, stay hydrated on these hot days. This is a time of year where if you're out and not staying hydrated, you could succumb to heat-related illnesses. Not as much dust in the air. Air quality's been hovering around moderate today. We may see another surge of dust later this week toward the weekend, may pump levels up a bit more, but moderate air quality, not too bad. Remember, we were in that unhealthy for sensitive groups a couple of days ago, which, for a few people, you might not want to spend too much time outside, but it's fairly good today. A little disturbance here coming across Louisiana. It has some showers and storms with it, but it's mainly going just to our north. And if you look at rainfall on Future Track over the next few days, you notice all the pretty colors kind of go right across from about Houston toward near Victoria. Those colors indicate where rainfall you see around maybe an inch to 2 inches or more, especially once you get up into some of the reds there, maybe 2 or 3 inches of rain locally in some areas once you get north of Alice. So we'll probably miss out on most of the rain with this. You see this map goes through Thursday, and then into Friday, the rain kind of just goes west, but kind of on the edge of it here. We could have some scattered showers and some storms around, and we'll have to wait and see if how much of it gets here. But Future Track in the short term shows mostly sunny and hot weather today. Tomorrow, you notice we start off sunny, but clouds trying to increase later in the day with that disturbance nearby to the north. Future Track shows a shower nearby tomorrow night, but I think nearly everything misses us. And then Thursday, enough moisture around for maybe a couple showers or storm here and there, but again, probably not anything crazy going on in terms of big rainfall amounts, but I said, maybe some areas could get an inch of rain if showers or storms do pop up on Thursday. And Friday, still a good chance for rain too. So your first 1570 forecast, highs near 97 today, 95 tomorrow, maybe a shower late tomorrow night, probably after fireworks time, after midnight or later. Thursday and Friday, your better chances of a shower or storm with that disturbance nearby. We could drop temperatures a few degrees into mainly the low 90s for highs. And again, scattered showers and storms, you might see more than an inch in some spots. After that, though, we see lesser chances of rain, and we're going from maybe 40, 50% or so, 60% at the highest, if that, down to maybe 10 or 20% chances of rain over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We'll check your 4th of July weather in more detail coming up on Channel 5 News at noon.